In this video, you'll learn how to use the Lead Performance dashboard. Select the Lead Performance tab and start by setting your desired filters. You can view your lead performance by time period, day, week, month, quarter, or year, and refine your view by address, customer, owner, stage, status, workflow, or dates. Set a job created date and a comparison date to see percentage change in the KPI cards and compare performance across time periods. Click Reset to clear filters and view all lifetime jobs on your report. In the top panel, at a glance metrics. You can view your number of leads and quick numbers on speed, qualified, and close rates. In the lead map, you can view exactly where your leads are coming from across regions by workflow. The lead performance table breaks your leads down by source so you can understand which channels are leading to more qualified and won jobs. Lead volume over time tracks how leads come in over different time periods to spot trends and seasonality. The unqualified leads breakdown tracks why some jobs aren't moving forward in your pipeline. The detailed job chart at the bottom of the page contains all jobs data and can be sorted and filtered as needed. Click Export Data to export the data in this chart.